What's up, everybody? This is Bo. Today I'm going to show you how to install a swivel seat base. This is the aftermarket swivel base. We're putting on a Sprinter van. This is a 2017 Sprinter van. The seat fits from 2007 through 21. It doesn't change. Anyhow, this is the it's an aftermarket, and you can swivel it all to 90 degrees or about 75 degrees. I don't know how many degrees, but we'll test that out. But it's very easy. All you have to do is flip the unlock here, and then the seat will swivel around. We're gonna show you that later. It comes with sets of hardware ready to go, okay, and the lock nut also. So for the Sprinter vans, it's very easy to take off the seats. You got 4 of these bolts right here. Those are the tools you need. It will be a 16mm that fits the new hardware, and to take off the original seat, this is a 7/16 socket. Okay, that's all you need. But before you start, okay, you have to disconnect these sensors wires under the seat. Okay, so you have to remove the entire seat out. To do that, you have to disconnect the wire. But before you disconnect, because that's a sensor, you have to disconnect the main battery switch, so you don't trigger the sensor. Okay, by disconnecting it, you're gonna disable all the computers inside. And to disable that, it's very easy. There's a main switch. You just pop it out real quick. Okay, let me show you. All right, it's under the driver's seat. I don't know if you can see. It's all the way into. See, this is your gas pedal, and this is the switch right here, right there. Okay, all you have to do is you press on the red and you pull it out. Let me see if I can do that real quick. There, press on the red, press it down, and then you pull it out. There. Okay, now you disconnected the battery. I don't know if this is the manufacturer. It's a brand. Actually, we got it from this is the eBay. I haven't seen it on Amazon. It's called Amazing Auto. Okay, you look over here. There's a passenger side. Okay, base for passenger, and then this is base for driver. Okay, number 1 and number 2. Okay, we have removed all the screws out, so this seat should come off really easy. But let me disconnect the wires first. Very easy to disconnect too. There, just this little tab right there. You just need to press it down with your finger and pull it. Okay, so the holes, you can see right here, it aligns with the factory holes right here, and then this is the factory screw. All you have to do is move the top part to the side a little bit, so you have access to that. Okay, I'm gonna turn this like that. Okay, so now we can do this. All right. Alright, so after you, let me take this out. After you install the base first with the original screws, you put the seat back on, and then the nuts and bolt that's supplied with the base. Okay, you got the washer and the bolt here. Insert from the bottom. Okay, and then the nut from the top. You wanna just hand tight two front first, and then move the seat forward so you have access to the two in the back to make sure that all fit first before you start tightening everything up. So now we're good to tight, and the seats really move. Now we're gonna tighten this up. All right, one down, you guys. Ready? It was very easy to install. And see the knob right here? Push it, and then you can turn. Okay. First, you have to kind of play around with it a little bit. You have to this seat belt here. You have to put in the front, and then try to turn. If it's gonna hit, all you have to do is slide the seat forward a little bit, and then you can turn everything 60 degrees, 180 degrees, or that, and this. I always confused with which way to turn. Okay, this position, you can put the seat all the way backward. And then you can now facing back and relax here. With everybody's facing over here with a table right here, we are good. All right, that was easy. Let's do the driver's side. All right, the driver seat is done installed. Everything else the same way, except the driver's side has the handbrake, so you have to put a spacer to get the clearance. So we end up using 5 washers. You can get these washers. Okay, this is a 1/2 inch washers, or you can get spacer. If you have any spacer, you can get that. It's about 1/2 inch. We got this from Home Depot. The whole pack is like 25 of the washers. So we put 5 on each corner to get it to right, passing over the handbrake. So it's good now. Pretty good. So overall, the passenger side, you would raise the seat about 1 inch, and the driver's side you will raise about 1.5 inches. So if you have short legs, you're gonna have a problem, a little bit of problem. But yeah, you will feel the difference of 1.5 inches your feet to reach the pedals. All right. So okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.